At a price of $500, the daily demand is 500 units. Also, at a price of $500, the elasticity is 1.5. So, first, what is the daily revenue when the price is $500? Well, the revenue is price times quantity. And so if the price is $500 and the quantity is 500 units, this turns out to be $250,000. Now let's assume that the price were to increase. Well, if the price increases to $550, so that's a $30 increase. And a $30 increase, if we think of 30 with respect to the $500 that the price used to be, this turns out to be a 6% increase in the price. So now with a 6% increase in the price, we should see a decrease in the demand. And so to determine what change we're going to see in the demand, I'm going to multiply the 6% times the elasticity of 1.5. This gives us a 9% decrease in the demand. So we first must determine what is 9% of the current demand of 500 units, and that would be 45 units. So we decrease from 500 down to 455 units as the new demand. So now to find the new revenue, we would simply take the new price of $530 and multiply it times the new quantity of 455 units. This returns us a total revenue now of $241,150. So notice here that an increase in price actually reduced the total revenue. This is because the product was elastic at 1.5. Now let's consider a price drop. So here the change in price is $20, and so 20 with respect to the 500 represents a 4% decrease in price. So now we would take the 4%, multiply it times the elasticity 1.5, which is 6%, and this would be the increase in demand. So 6% of 500 units would be 30 units. So the new demand would be an increase of 30 units to 530 units. Finally, to determine the new revenue, we'll just take the new price of $480 and we'll multiply it times the new quantity of 530 units. This will return us a total revenue of $254,400. And so in this case, we can see since elasticity was 1.5, this is elastic then an increase in the price actually reduced the revenue, and a decrease in the price actually increased the revenue.